So guys, I studied my all left spin Beyblades to make the oh what
What?
anyways what is this? Okay, anyways, to make the what it called ROAR Bahamut gimmick of that, because my ROAR Bahamut is gonna have gimmick. So what will I gonna do that if you watch my ROAR Bahamut custom combo video, yeah, that's Spiral Driver, help it, custom combo video, there I used a ROAR Bahamut layer and a Giga disk with a drift driver. So I'm still thinking to use a drift driver because I like drift over the moment. And I use this is a heavy metal thing I got from my fidget spinner, which was really famous back then. I don't know, it's so old now. So I will put it like here, and this is a Bisleri bottle cap. So, and lock it with the other cardboard piece. And what I will do for gimmick is that I made this layer and I thicken it by double slices of the cardboard of same shape. Then you would require another shape like this is just a same but a flipped version. And then you will require, apart from these two, this 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 and this. Yeah, these four pieces you will require. And what will these do that when you combine them, let me combine them, yep, when you combine them they become this much thicker. So this is how it will gonna work. So you can see that disc is here. So I will inside put a toothpick inside it to make it like with a spinning to right to left. And what it will do that when the disc moves, so you can see these circles will come out. So let me hold this. So you can see these circles will come out, and when disc is at the center like this, then this will make a perfect circle like this is making right now. So that's how that gimmick will work. But of course it will not be a burstable because I don't make burstable, because it weakens the Beyblade and you can't launch them fastly and they are fragile too. So yeah, see how much thing I'm doing for you guys. So yeah, must like and subscribe. So our ROAR Bahamut is all ready, and we will do a test spin and test battles of it. So it is heavy, boy. It's heavier than my world spray gun from Flame brand. So that metal helps it, and I guess it will build a stamina too. So it have decent stamina with that drift driver, and see the life to death, my god. And also it will awaken day by day with the more usage of it. And it have that working gimmick of the ROAR Bahamut. So it's like first to like this, yes. So you can see right now. So the ROAR Bahamut that I made before was really good looking, and I personally like it also. It is thick, it's heavy, and it's really good for defense, but it don't have any sort of gimmick of ROAR Bahamut. So yep, I made this one. This have a really good gimmick of being changed to defense, and it have that bound gimmick. I don't know how this works, but yep, this kinda it is what it is. And let me make to the, yep. So you can see there is no blue portion visible right now, and it is a thick, very good, whereas when the old one was already visible. So what happened when it got hit from this side, which is exposed to for getting some hits, and then it will move the middle portion like this, and it will make the perfect circle like this. So it would be like this. So you can see it's now perfect circle, Here is also visible. The blue portion here is also blue portion visible here also. My camera is really poor at night. I mean, it's almost night, I guess. So that's why my camera have this problem sort of for visibility. So let's do some test spin and some test battles. And oh my god, I like that. I'm the only one on YouTube for making the roar Bahamut with gimmick. Although I didn't make moment, but anyways, I cares of moment, but drift is much more better. Come on. Okay, let's do a test launch. And okay, 3, 2, 1, let it drift. So this is left spin, and oh my god, that's so good. Yeah, really decent stamina, and of course this heavy boy. Let's do test battle against Ragnarok. Greatest Raphael in stamina mode against ROAR Bahamut. Against Prominence Phoenix. Ultimate Valkyrie versus ROAR Bahamut.
That's called recoil.
ROAR Bahamut versus Guilty Longinius. Against Rashad Goodman, Savior Valkyrie. Spanish Fafnir versus ROAR Bahamut. Astral Spriggan versus ROAR Bahamut. So guys, that was my video on my working ROAR Bahamut with gimmick, as you guys can see. And how do you like it? And I really like it. The disc looks like real, the drift driver just works like real, and everything just looks absolutely fantastic, and I love it. So guys, thanks for watching and keep support. Bye bye.